Many businesses invest in managed IT services, but still struggle with downtime, unclear expectations, and support that doesn't move the needle. In fact, top-performing companies are over 4 times more likely to gain a competitive edge when they fully leverage their MSP relationships. At Attentis Technologies, we believe a successful MSP relationship goes beyond routine support. It's about proactively aligning IT with your business vision for long-term success. That's from our CEO, Charles Bender. If you're not getting proactive service, expert advice, or clear long-term IT planning, you're leaving value on the table. Too often, companies don't even know what's included in their MSP agreement. That means missing out on services like 24/7 support, network monitoring, or disaster recovery, tools that reduce downtime and protect your bottom line. Strong MSP relationships don't just happen. You need clear expectations, regular communication, and alignment between your IT setup and business goals. You also need to track results. Is your MSP helping you reduce disruptions, improve performance, and plan for future growth? If not, it might be time to reassess. Look beyond basic support. MSPs can also help with security assessments, compliance, cloud migrations, and scalable infrastructure. These are critical if you want to grow with confidence and avoid surprise costs later. You'll find the full breakdown, including a service comparison table and clear signs your MSP is delivering real value, in our latest article. Check it out now on our website, and don't forget to add this to your playlist so you can listen again later.